Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to log in or sign in your LinkedIn app. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our LinkedIn app. In order to log in into your LinkedIn app, you'll have to first make sure that you have successfully signed up. And here you'll have to tap on the sign in using another account option. And if you haven't created an account, you'll have to tap on new to LinkedIn and join now option. For now, we'll be tapping on the second option, that is sign in using another account. Then you'll have to use your email address or your phone number. Once you type in your email address, here you'll have to type in the password that you had while creating your account. And once you're done with that, tap on continue. And just like that, you'll have successfully logged in into your LinkedIn account. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.